One thing about a Ducati is that everybody knows you are riding one. Everybody hears it. You hears it. So I'm just waiting for the temperature to switch to 40 or 41. That is a safe temperature to start operating the engine from. Like there. And off we go. I want to talk to you guys about security methods. Go. It's okay. About security methods. People trumping intersections and four-way stops. Whatever. I want to talk about tracking devices on motorcycles and whether you guys think it is necessary, and what is this woman doing? Man, you people. What kind of security measures do you guys have on your motorcycles? I've read up about the caliper locks. I've read up about the brake locks, which I think is a pretty awesome idea. The brake locks, it's basically a clamp, fits around there, and it locks your bike. It obviously won't stop people from picking the bike up and putting it onto the back of a bucky or pickup truck or whatever. Oh, fuck. What is this shit? Oh, fuck, man. Oh, this is gross. The brand new bloody bike in sewage water. Man, my bike is probably all dirty now. I'm so sad. I spent like 4 hours on Saturday washing the thing. And the best of all is I went out on Saturday evening to a friend, slept over, got out the house. Oh, look at it. Eagle shit all over the bike. I'm like, animals are such assholes. You buy something new, they're like, I will shit on it. But you know what I like to do? I like to eat scrambled eggs on the patio, just to show them what I'm capable of doing. Hey, little guy. Okay.
So I just came out, I was coming back to come get him. You think he's going to be okay?
I don't know. Would you be able to take him?
Where?
I have no idea. Because I won't be able to. I'm on the bike.
No, that's the thing.
Shame, man. And he's got a little ring around his paw.
You want to come this side?
Yeah, let me come around. Shame.
Is he going to be okay, I hope?
There we go. No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, geez, I saw that lady hit him and I turned around so quickly.
Shame, man. Alright. Bye. Shame, little guy. Hope you're okay. Hope you make it.